Holmarc's 2D transfer system with trinocular microscope, model HO2DTS-TME01, is a cutting-edge manual system designed for the precise fabrication of high-quality two-dimensional heterostructures and twisted layers. This innovative setup includes a manual focusing trinocular microscope featuring long working distance objectives, an advanced XYZ-θ substrate stage, and an XYZ stamping stage equipped with a tilting platform. The microscope operates on an infinity-corrected optical system with bright field observation, high-intensity adjustable LED illumination, and a manual revolving nosepiece. The XYZ stamping stage ensures accurate placement of stamps on substrates fixed on a vacuum thermal chuck, while the substrate temperature can be adjusted from room temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, enhancing process flexibility. Key specifications include a trinocular head with a 30-degree angle, 10 times wide field eyepieces, and a 5-megapixel camera with a high frame rate for effective monitoring. The XYZ stages allow for exceptional alignment precision during transfer operations, with travel ranges of 25 mm in XY and 5 mm in Z axis, ensuring accuracy within plus or minus 3.5 micrometers. The system finds applications in various fields such as the fabrication of transistors and sensors, photodetectors, battery electrodes, topological insulators, and valetronics. With features like an image-grabbing software that provides live measurement capabilities and a proportional integral derivative controlled heating system for sample management, this 2D transfer system is essential for researchers and professionals aiming to advance material science and nanotechnology. The robust aluminum construction, complemented by black anodized finishes, ensures durability and ease of use, making the HO2DTS-TME01 a versatile tool in modern scientific research. Holmarc's 2D transfer system with trinocular microscope, model HO2DTS-TME01. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.